In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Samsung Q800D or Q990D in case you're having issues. First step is to turn on your soundbar. Okay, so go ahead, press the power button. Check the screen. Your screen may be in the middle or maybe it's on the right side if you have a newer model. Okay, once the screen is turned on, all you have to do now is to locate the plus and minus volume buttons on the soundbar itself. And we'll need to keep both of these pressed during 5 seconds until on the screen, again, your screen can be here or there, you see the letters I and IT. And then you're gonna see OK. So let me demonstrate. I'll press both of these at the same time. Usually it takes 5 seconds. Wait. Wait. Okay, I see I and IT. I can lift my finger from the buttons. Then I'll see OK, wait about 3 or 5 seconds, it will disappear, and this is it. Your Samsung soundbar is now factory resetted. You'll need to reconnect it with your TV or your iPhone or other devices and start fresh from the beginning. When you do this factory reset, by the way, your subwoofer will still be connected with your soundbar. It will not disconnect them, which is great. It will just save you one step. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have more time, just leave a comment as well. I'll try to read them all.